In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bookmark a message in Slack. Bookmarking is a handy feature in Slack that allows you to have important messages readily accessible without having to scroll through long conversations. Whether it's a key piece of information shared by a colleague or a crucial link to a document, bookmarking can save you time and effort by keeping everything you need right at your fingertips. To start, let's navigate to your Slack workspace. Once you're in, you'll need to find the message you wish to bookmark. This could be a direct message from a colleague or a post in one of your channels. Browse through your conversations until you locate the specific message. With the message in view, hover your cursor over it. When you do this, you'll notice a series of options appearing. Among these options, look for the one with a little bookmark icon. Clicking on this icon will allow you to bookmark the message. It's that simple, but let's delve a little deeper to ensure complete understanding. Once you've clicked the bookmark icon, the message gets added to your list of saved items. To find these saved messages later, you will want to navigate to the top of the Slack window where you see your profile picture. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, find the Saved Items option and select it. This will open a panel that lists all your bookmarked messages, giving you quick and easy access whenever you need it. It's important to note that bookmarks in Slack are meant for individual use. This means that while you bookmark messages for your personal access, your colleagues won't see what you've saved. It's a personal productivity tool, helping you to organize your workspace efficiently. Now that we've covered the bookmarking process, let's consider some additional tips. You may find it beneficial to periodically review your saved items and remove any bookmarks that are no longer necessary. This keeps your saved list manageable and ensures you're always able to find what you need without unnecessary clutter. If you ever need to share a bookmarked message with your team, remember that you can easily copy the link to the message and paste it into any Slack channel or direct message. Simply click on the More Actions button on the saved message and select Copy Link, making it convenient to share important information with others. In conclusion, bookmarking in Slack is an effective way to keep track of essential messages and information. By incorporating this practice into your daily routine, you can enhance your productivity and streamline your access to vital resources within your Slack environment. I hope you found this guide on how to bookmark a message in Slack helpful. Be sure to try it out today and see how much easier managing your important Slack conversations can become.